Let me know if you get in. Excuse me. Nandiyan na oh. Alright, let me forward it in here. Sa messenger mo. We have 6 amazing, beautiful people. Welcome, guys. We're trying to figure out to go live together again before it works. And she did it first, and it didn't go live. So I have to do it. Then I have to do it here, and I'm waiting for her to get in. Welcome, welcome everyone. Welcome to our Saturday chat with friends. Welcome here, and topic today is about life and business. Join my journey in this attraction marketing business. You can do this from the comfort of your own home, learning new things, learning new skills. You don't need to be a tech savvy. Me, I'm not a good tech savvy about this one. No experience needed. All you need is your mindset. Hang on. Waiting for my we're going live together where she's at. Did you find it says yes. Pending. Hello, Winnie. Winnie OFW, where are you at? She couldn't get in. I'm sure it is to my Facebook. Hang on, guys. Let's do this. Okay, welcome, guys, to our Saturday afternoon chat with friends from other side of the world. And also our topic today is about real talk, real life, and opportunity. Waiting for her. Probably she's having a hard time to get in. HB, were you watching from HB? Welcome here. Like and share our stream, like and share. I'm planning to not working. Right. What? Wait, click the thing. Try again, Sis Winnie. Maybe your connection there is bad. Maybe your connection. Huh? It works before. Hang on. It says hang on, huh?